What is the difference of the data analysis capabilities of Google Bard and ChatGPT OpenAI? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to cover. What is the difference of the data analysis capabilities of Google Bard and ChatGPT OpenAI? So, without further ado, let's dive into our video. So, let's go first to our Chrome and let's search for an article for us to read and compare these two AI languages. And by the way, guys, Google Bard. Google Bard is a data analysis tool developed by Google. It is designed to help users visualize and analyze data through interactive charts, graphs, and data exploration features. Google Bard provides a user-friendly interface that allows users to import, manipulate, and present data in visually appealing ways. It offers functionalities such as data filtering, sorting, aggregation, and ability to create customized charts and dashboards. Google Bard is primarily focused on data visualization and analysis for users without extensive programming statistical knowledge. So that is what Google Bards do. So here, let's go for ChatGPT OpenAI. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is a AI language model developed by OpenAI. It is designed to generate human-like text response based on a given prompts or questions. ChatGPT can be used for various purposes, including generating creative writing, answering queries, providing recommendations, and engaging in a conversational interactions. While ChatGPT can analyze text-based data to some extent, its primary strength lies in natural language processing and generation rather than in-depth data analysis capabilities. So here, in our Chrome, we have here an article from filmorawondershare.com that shows here ChatGPT versus Google Bard AI, a comparison of AI language models. So here, let's scroll down a little bit. So let's look through it. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence logistic model created by OpenAI, a research entity established by notable technology pioneers. And ChatGPT utilizes a profound learning algorithm called a generative pre-trained transformer, or GPT, to produce human-like language in reactions. So here, it says here that ChatGPT produces human-like language in reaction to user cues. So it develops over time by using the prompt and the reaction of humans that uses it to improve itself and collect data to improve its data algorithms and gives a more input and more creative outcome. But here, it is to produce human-like language interaction. So here, it says that it is focused on data visualization and analysis for users without extensive programming or statistical knowledge. So here, let's go to Google Bard. Google Bard is an artificial intelligence AI language model created by Google, which can produce responses to prompts that resemble human-like language, utilizing a neural network and machine learning algorithms. So here it says that it is a machine learning algorithms that it uses to utilize a neural network. It scrutinizes vast quantities of text and data, generate responses based on data analysis. So here, while checking this one, it also based on data analysis, and Google Bard can grasp the context and create appropriate and logical response to the prompt, and it can work for various purposes. So what is the difference of these two? So we can see here that although ChatGPT versus Bard AI are AI languages models created to produce human-like response to prompts. They differ in several significant ways. So one of the primary distinction is the corporations that support them. Google is a colossal technological firm with vast resources, whereas ChatGPT is a smaller startup that concentrates exclusively on AI language models. So as a result, Google has more funding and resources to invest on enhancing and refining its AI models. Another different is the training data utilizes to develop the models. Google Bard is trained on a massive data set of text from the internet. So that's their different. So upon looking here, there are lots of articles available for these two AI model languages. But for me, I don't have a bias because as long as they give the proper outcome that I need and they specialize in different ways on their own. So to conclude, Google and ChatGPT are remarkable artificial intelligence language models that can produce responses that resemble human-like responses when prompted. Google features Google Bard while OpenAI features ChatGPT. Each model has its strengths and weaknesses, guys, and selecting one over to the other depends on the user's specific demands and prerequisites. In summary, the key distinction is that Google Bard is a dedicated data analysis tool that focuses on visualizing and manipulating data, while ChatGPT OpenAI is a language model that excels at generating text-based responses and engaging in conversations. Both tools different in purpose in the realm of data analysis and can be used in conjunction to complement each other's functionalities. So we hope you found this tutorial on the difference of the analysis capability of Google Bard and ChatGPT OpenAI helpful. And if you have any questions, you want to share your experience with utilizing and knowing the difference of the data analysis capabilities of Google Bard and ChatGPT AI, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and learn for more valuable insights from this channel. And guys, thanks for watching and we will see you on the next video.